Okay, so there are three variables A, B and C, and now we are going to check values after applying this comparison operators first. So if I write A less than B, what will be the output of this? A less than B, true or false? What will be the output of A less than B? Why? Because A is 7, B is -8. So it will do 7 less than -8 and it will return false. Okay. Now if I write B less than C, then it will return true because -8 is less than 12. So less than operator, same way we may use A greater than B, which will return true because 7 greater than -8 is true. A greater than equal to B will also return true. A less than equal to B will return false. Okay, now for equality check, if I write A double equal to B, so 7 double equal to -8 is false, but 7 not equal to -8 is true. So if I write A exclamation equal to B means not equal to, then it will return true. Okay, clear? Equality and not equal is clear. If I write A double equal to 7, then it will check what is the value of variable A and then it will compare it with 7. So A is 7 and I am comparing it with 7, so it will return true, right? Okay, so comparison operator. Now let's combine this comparison operators using logical and logical or and logical not. So first of all, first condition A less than B and B less than C. A less than B and B less than C, what will be the output of this? What is A? 7 and B is -8. 7 less than -8 is false. 7 less than -8 is false. B less than C, -8 less than 12 is true, but as this is AND operator, it will return false. If any one of the condition is false, then it will return false. Instead of AND, let's apply OR. First condition is false, but second condition is true, and therefore OR operator will return true if at least one of the condition is true or returns true. So it will return true. Fine. Now if I say not A less than B and B less than C, what is the output of this part? A less than B, B less than C? It's false. As you can see here, it's false. So not false means true. Okay, not false means true, and therefore it will return true. Any doubts in this? Okay, you can check not operator by directly writing like this, not true, it will show you false. Okay, true and false are Boolean data type. They are the values of Boolean data type, but you have to mention like this only, capital T in true and capital F in false. Okay, not operator. Any questions in not operator? Okay, so logical operators, comparison operators. Now let's see mathematical operators. So I'm assigning values of A, B, C again, smaller values. 3 C equal to